For this assignment, you'll need a piece of paper and a writing utensil. Could be a pencil, could be a pen, marker, whatever you prefer. You are going to be drawing. First thing I want you to do, you need to understand that anybody can draw. If you can write your name, you can draw because you're drawing lines when you write your name. And I want you to write across the top of your paper, Connection High Art, however you would write it. Now, if you were in the classroom, I'd have you get up and walk around and look at everybody else's writing of Connection High Art. If you're at home, just imagine that you're talking to somebody else and they did the same thing and you look at how they wrote it. Or you could actually have somebody at your house write Connection High Art and just compare. They're going to be different. Everybody writes differently. And the same goes for drawing. Everybody draws differently. It's not about how perfect something looks, how realistic. It's about finding your own voice and learning how you draw and accepting that. So, we're going to get into this drawing course, and it's all going to start with observational drawing. So, on your paper, I want you to draw this guy, just about that same size. You're going to do 3 of these drawings on the same paper, so maybe put it up on the side. Draw that exactly how you see it. Okay, go ahead and push pause, look at the picture, and draw it, and then go on. Okay, now that you've drawn this picture, we're going to do some comparisons. I want you to look at your drawing and put your pencil down across the eyes and the ears. Do the eyes and the ears go under the pencil? Are they slanted? Is your pencil slanted when you put it on the paper? Now move your pencil like this across the hat, right through the middle of the hat. Is it slanted? Or is your pencil straight up? Should be slanted. Same thing with this axis of the face. So this is what I mean by observation. A lot of times, especially when you look at things like faces, you want to draw them how you're used to seeing them, which would be straight up and down, right? But this face is slanted, the hat is tilted, these axes are on diagonals instead of straight up and straight across. So as you look at something, those are important things to pay attention to. How is everything situated? Okay, next one I want you to do is this guy. Just find another spot on your paper, draw them about that size. Push pause and draw. Okay, let's take a look. The hair you drew, is it in groups of 3? 3 lines all the way across? Is this eyebrow slightly higher than this eyebrow? Does your nose come down in front of the mouth? Are the ears and the mouth straight across? All right, let's do the next one. Do this snowman for me. Go ahead and push pause and draw. All right. Where I find the most mistakes on this one, even after we've talked about observing and drawing things exactly how you see them, a lot of times when people draw these balloons, they don't draw them on top of each other. These 2 balloons in the back are behind the 3 in the front. This one right here is slightly behind this one, which is slightly behind this one. Do your balloons look the same as that? If not, you need to really ask yourself if you paid attention and observed what you were looking at as you drew it. All right, I want you to take a picture of your drawings and submit it for grading.